Hey everyone, welcome back to your English journey. I'm Emma, your host.
And I'm Leo. Glad to be here again. We had so much fun in episode 1, and today we have a really helpful topic.
Yes, today's topic is how to think in English. This is something that many learners want to do, but they're not sure how to start.
Right. And thinking in English can really help you speak faster, understand better, and feel more confident when you use English.
So first, what does thinking in English mean? For many learners, when they want to speak, they think in their native language first, and then translate into English, right?
Yes, exactly. For example, if someone speaks Spanish, they might think, tengo hambre, then translate it into English. I am hungry.
That works, but it takes time. Your brain has to translate everything before speaking. And sometimes the translation isn't perfect.
So thinking in English means you skip that step. You train your brain to go straight to English. You think, I'm hungry right away. No translation.
It might feel strange at first, but with practice, your brain gets better. Just like going to the gym, your language brain needs exercise. Let's start with tip 1. Label objects around you.
This means you look at things in your home or office and say their names in English.
Yes, like you look at your phone and say, phone. You look at your door and say, door. It's a simple trick, but very powerful.
Even better, use small sticky notes or paper. Write the word mirror and stick it on your mirror. Write fridge and put it on your fridge.
Why does this help? Because you're seeing the object and connecting it to the English word. Without your first language,
Your brain starts to think in pictures and English, not pictures and translation.
try this with 10 objects at home today. Just 10. Say their names once in the morning and once at night.
Okay, next up, tip 2. Use simple sentences.
Some learners think they need to use long, perfect sentences. But no, start with small, simple ones.
Like, I like tea. This is my book. She is happy. These are short, but they are real English.
You can describe your day in English like, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast.
Exactly. These are actions you do every day. If you say them in English, they start to become natural in your mind.
Don't worry about grammar being perfect. It's more important to get comfortable using English in your head.
Here's a fun one. Tip 3. Talk to yourself in English.
It sounds funny, but it's very useful. You can talk out loud if you're alone, or talk silently in your mind.
For example, if you're looking for your wallet, say, where's my wallet? Is it on the table? Oh, here it is.
You're just saying your thoughts, but in English. And you can do this anywhere. On the bus, in the kitchen, even while walking.
I used to do this when learning French. I'd say, I am going to the store. I need bread. It helps build thinking speed.
Try this today. Pick one activity and talk through it in English, even just a few sentences. All right. Now for tip 4, scenario thinking. This one's super fun.
Yes. Scenario thinking means you imagine a situation in your mind and practice what you'd say in English.
Like imagine you're in a coffee shop. What do you say? Hi, can I have a coffee, please? Do you take card? Thank you.
Or imagine you're at the airport. Where is gate 10? What time is the flight? Here's my passport.
This is like mental practice. You prepare for real-life moments in your head in English.
You can do this in the shower, on a walk, even before sleeping. Just imagine a scene and play it like a movie in your mind. Here's a bonus tip. Watch English videos and copy what you hear.
Yes, this is called shadowing. You listen to a sentence, then say it again, copying the pronunciation, speed, and tone.
You don't have to understand every word at first. Just try to repeat what you hear.
For example, you watch a scene from a show where someone says, "I'll be right back." You pause, then repeat, "I'll be right back."
This helps you train your ear, your mouth, and your mind, all at the same time.
And the best part? You can use our YouTube videos to do this. We speak slowly, clearly, and use useful everyday English. Let's review quickly. Thinking in English helps you speak faster with less stress. And you can start small.
Label your stuff. Use simple sentences. Talk to yourself. Imagine situations. And shadow your favorite videos.
It's like learning to swim. You don't have to jump in deep water. You start in the shallow end, step by step.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying and learning.
Let's review some helpful words we used in this episode. We'll tell you the meaning and give you an example sentence.
Label. Meaning, to put a name or word on something. Example, I put a label that says window on the window.
Object. Meaning, a thing you can see or touch. Example, a cup, a phone, and a book are all objects.
Scenario. Meaning, an imaginary situation. Something you pretend. Example, I practice English by imagining a scenario at a restaurant.
Sentence. Meaning, a group of words that show a complete idea. Example, she is happy is a simple English sentence.
Confidence. Meaning, a feeling that you can do something well. Example, I speak with more confidence after practicing English every day.
Shadowing, meaning, a way to practice by listening to English and repeating what you hear. Example, I watched a video and shadowed the sentence, how are you today?
Try using these words today in your thinking or speaking.
You can even practice them using the tips from earlier, like self-talk or scenario thinking.